don't have this room. We really need that air conditioning. Alright, Clifford, today's the day I show you how to drive this.
It's not a freaking backhoe.
Yes, it is. And I'm going to show you how to drive it. Now, if I can just get in.
Twist the boat.
Yeah. Almost in there. Just gotta get in there. Okay, I bursted the steering wheel, so that's a big freaking no-no.
1 moment later.
Right, let's try this again. This time I'm gonna curl up into a ball. Frick. I didn't think about how big this thing will be, or would be. I'm busting open 2 doors at the same freaking time. There we go. Now I'll show you how to drive one of these babies. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can. Yeah, I think so.
Now then, Clifford, I'll show you how to clear some pieces of connects with this thing. Step 1, start up the backhoe. We got that taken care of. Step 2, pick up the pieces with your shovels. The bucket or the backhoe bucket. Seems pretty safe. Step 3, put them somewhere else. Now that I showed you how to use a backhoe blade, I'll show you how to use the backhoe itself. I mean, the backhoe bucket blade. This thing is so freaking fragile. Now you have to do this easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
You don't think I can feel nothing, do you? Do you?
No. You wouldn't fit in this thing. I can't fit in this thing. This is only meant for puppies, not full-grown cats or dogs. Oh, frick. What was I freaking thinking? The cab!
Sally.
It's okay, frickin' Frenchie. Careful with this thing. Time to turn on the beepers. Beep, 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 beep. Now, do you freaking get it?
No, I get the point of how to drive the thing.
Good. Guess we're just getting started with this thing. is how you clear obstacles with this backhoe. Now get me out of here. Yeah. Thank you. Now the puppy will drive it. Thank you, Mama. You're welcome, son. Now be careful with that thing. It's powerful. Yeah, I know.
So how did the whole thing go?
Oh, it turns out just great. I mean, that backhoe is pretty big. Not as big as all the other vehicles we have faced before. Machine guns and zombies are up to no good again, and they're spotting something big for a final battle in Cat 32. That's right, in Cat 32. It's about time! Random Time Periods Edition. Get it free today. Download now. I'll take a couple downloads for everyone. Thank you. Anyway, our next couple of our final batch of battles are coming up very soon.
Oh boy, that's so serious.
Oh yeah, it is. Clifford, do you hear something?
Puppy, look out!
Look out for what?
The backhoe, dead ahead.
Ah! Oh! Mama doesn't want to go through this anymore. Ah! What are you gonna do now? Ah! Dun 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 dun. Clifford! Help! Simon!